Starts from Mahatma Gandhi from 1918. He started Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha, that to today's Chennai. That time Periyar didn't opposed.
Dakshina Bharata Hindi Prachara Sabha was inaugurated by Gandhi. Those days, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಇವರಂದರೆ మన ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದು. ದೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಟ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಆರ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಇನ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವೇರ್ Hindi was not known to the people. So they brought one institution to teach Hindi. That's why it was installed in Chennai. Periyar also was in Congress. Periyar did not oppose for that. He thought that Hindi is one language and people are going to learn if whoever is interested.